to my brother-in-law Manolo, to Miguel and to Nina, every night you made the effort to pray the rosary with Mom. Together with Ate's family, you all made sure that Mom would never feel that she was alone. To my sister Viel, you've always been the most quiet, and yet you organized everything in the hospital. You were the one meeting with Mom's doctors, and together with Dodo, you were the ones who tirelessly researched all medical options and possible treatments for Mom. Kiko found his voice and was so articulate in our family prayers. Gia made Mom feel so proud with her musical talent. To my brother Noy, in the same way that Mom was so patient and loving towards Josh, I want to thank you for giving Josh so much of your love, your patience, and your caring. Noy, alam ko sa ospital sinabi sa'yo ni Josh, please, Tito Noy, never get married. Sana maintindihan mo. You're now his security blanket. You've taken Mom's place as his protector. Pero huwag kang mag-alala. Kaming mga kapatid mo kung saan ka liligaya, pwede na rin. Kagaya po ng pangako na iniwan ng Dad at Mom sa ating bayan, Noy, ikaw at ako ang nasa posisyon para ipagpatuloy ang lahat ng kanilang nasimulan. You know, you know that during our last conversation with Mom, nangako ako sa kanya, whatever support you needed, I would be there for you. James told me that now that Mom is gone, he has lost his #1 supporter. James and I thank Mom for reminding us to constantly try to be supportive of each other. Mom always told us we should bring out the best in each other. Mula po nung pinanganak ko si Baby James, sa 2 taon na nakapiling siya ng Mom, every time nakikita ng Mom si Baby James, pag ine-enjoy niya yung attention ng mga tao, pag china-charming niya lahat, sabi ng Mom, ako daw si Baby James. For all my life, I would constantly hear Mom tell everybody that I was the female Ninoy. I was truly my dad's daughter. Maybe that's why I always felt I was Mom's favorite. Mom, I know in your lifetime, among your children, you went through the most for me. Pero gusto ko ring maniwala dahil nasabi mo sa akin that I was able to give you the most joy. I would also like to believe that in the last 12 days of your life, when I never left your side, during the moments when you most needed me to be brave, when you needed me to be reassuring, to be decisive, and to be strong for you, the very same best qualities in you, I was finally able to find within myself. Thank you is not difficult. Expressing your love is not hard. Pero ngayon, how do I find the words to say goodbye? Paano bang magpaalam kapag alam mo at alam ng puso mo na hindi pa rin sapat ang panahon na binahagi sa iyo ng Diyos sa piling ng iyong pinakamamahal. I'm sorry, Mom. Mom, I lied to you. Nagsinungaling ako when I told you that we would be okay. I did this because we wanted you to be free from all your pain. At para hindi ka na mag-alala tungkol sa amin. Pero Mom, it will take a lifetime for us to be okay. Because we will forever miss you. Wala nang makakasabay si ate pa away from the office na makakakwentuhan niya about everything na nangyari that day. Wala nang magdadasal kasabay ni Pinky that Miguel will have a good job. Wala nang magsasabi kay Viel how impressed she was at the simplicity of Viel's family. Wala na rin yung taong hindi lang nagkampanya, pero gumastos ng malaki para matulungan si Noy manalo sa 4 na beses niyang pagtakbo. Wala nang magte-text sa akin tuwing maglo-launch ang bagong programa ko ng Good Luck. At pagkatapos, as soon as mag-end yung show, nagko-congratulate ka agad to say, I'm proud of you. But maybe that's what love really is all about. It means sacrificing your personal happiness and interests for the good of the one you love. It's forcing yourself to let go so that your mom will be free from pain. I love you, Mom. I thank you for the privilege of being your child. And for every day that I will be missing you, I will remind myself that my greatest gift to you will be living a life that will make you proud that I am your daughter. Dad, please take care of Mom. It's your turn now. You were her one and only love. And now that you're together again, no matter how painful it is for us to let her go, we are comforted knowing that Mom is happy to be reunited with you. I love you, Mom. Goodbye, Mom. Maraming salamat at paalam.